Good morning, students. Chapter 3, Care of the Body Parts. Our body is a wonderful machine. Every part of our body is important, so we should take care of our body parts. As you all know that God has gifted us 5 sense organs, which is very useful for us in our daily life. So it is very important for us to take care of those gifted things that God gave us. Okay, we should take care of each and every part of our body. We should keep every body part neat and clean. So it is very important for us to keep each and every part of our body clean. Firstly, we will start with the teeth. How can we take care of our teeth? We must brush our teeth twice a day, that is in the morning and at night before sleeping. Twice means 2 times. So it is very important for us kids that we should brush our teeth 2 times a day, one in the morning and other at night before sleeping. Second, how can we take care of our body? We must take bath daily. We should use good antiseptic soaps to clean our body parts. We should know, kids, that it's very important for us that we should take bath daily. We should not skip any day because our body contains so many germs, so it is very important for us to kill those germs. So it is very important that we need to take bath daily, and that is also with the antiseptic soap. Antiseptic soaps are those soaps which helps to kill the germs while taking bath. We must wear the clean clothes, and it is also very important that whenever you take bath, you need to wear the clean clothes after bathing. You should not repeat the old clothes that you were wearing before bathing because it contains germs. Thirdly, how can we take care of our face? We must take care of our face. We should wash our face with water 3 or 4 times a day, especially after coming from somewhere, because disease causing germs affect the skin. So it is very important for us kids that we need to wash our face. As we all know, we always wash our face daily, but it is very important that we need to wash our face 3 or 4 times a day. Like whenever you take bath, you wash your face, okay, and whenever you go to school and come back from the school, okay, then also you wash your face because it contains germs. The dust that gets stuck on your face, okay, that there is a germ on your face. So it's very important when you go to the go for playing in the evening, and when you come back at home, so it is very important, even then you need to wash your face. While washing your face, you need to take care that we should also clean our eyelids and the earlobes properly. Eyelids are the kids look properly, like these black hairs, like over this is the black hairs. These are known as the eyelids that we need to use, that we need to clean it very properly because the dust gets stuck in these eyelids. And the earlobes are the outer part of the ears are known as the earlobes, okay, so we need to take care of it. Next is how can we take care of our hair? As we all know, guys, whenever you want to look smart, it's very important that you should have a good amount of hair and very nice and smooth hair. So in order to protect your hair, you should be using good shampoo, good antiseptic shampoo, and it's very important that we should be having nice hair because the hair protect our head from direct sunlight and cold. Okay, so it is very important that we should wash our hair with good shampoo, and that is your wish whether you want to wash it twice or weekly. We should oil and comb our hair properly after taking bath. Whenever you wash your face, it is very important that you need to oil your hair because our hair also need the nutrition. So you need to oil your hairs and need to comb your hair to remove the triangles. Okay, in this way you are going to take a good care of your hair. Next is how to take care of your hands and feet. We use our hands in most of the activities, so they become unclean. We should wash our hands and feet with antiseptic soap after playing. We can have many diseases causing germs during playing. Eating food with unclean hands make us ill, which is very obvious, children. As you all know, each and every activity that we do, while it's writing, while it's playing, what are the activities that you do at home or at school, those includes hands. We use hands everywhere. So this could even make your hands dirty. The activity that you are doing, whether you are playing, it could make your hands dirty. So it is very important for us to wash our hands and the feet with the antiseptic soaps. As I told you before, the antiseptic soaps are those soaps which would help to kill the germs. As you know, if we are not going to wash our hands and feet, there are so many diseases. Diseases means the germs which could lead to the stomach ache. Okay, well, there are several problems that could occur due to the germs. Okay, so it is very important whenever you go to play and when you come back at home, you need to wash your hands and feet with the antiseptic soap so that you get away you get away from the illness. Okay, so next is how to take care of your nails. We should trim our nails weekly because disease causing germs live in the nails. As it's very important, trim means to cut the nails, so we need to cut our nails weekly. As you can say that most of our students, we used to cut our nails on a weekend, that is Sunday. Okay, so it is very important that we need to cut our nails, whether as we all accept it as a Sunday, it could be any other day, but it's very important to cut it weekly, because nails, it causes so many germs, and whenever you eat your food, the germs that are in the nails could get mixed up with your food and can harm your health. So it is very important to cut your nails. Next is the care of the sense organs. As when we started the chapter, I told you before that God has gifted us the 5 sense organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. And these are the sense organs, and these only sense organs help us to help us in our daily life. So it is very important that we need to take care of our sense organs. First we will talk about the eyes. Okay, eyes. We should wash our eyes with the cold water many times in a day. We should not rub our eyes with the hands or dirty cloth. It may cause infection. Sometimes we feel irritation in our eyes, then we should wash our eyes with the cold water. Okay, so like when we talked about that we should need to wash our face. So while washing our face, I also told you that we need to wash our eyelids properly. Okay, so this is what I'm trying to say, कि whenever you are going out or whatever it is, while washing your face, you need to focus that you need to wash your eyes properly, and that is with the cold water. Not once, not twice, not thrice, but many times in a day. We should not rub our eyes with the hands of the dirty cloth, because it could lead to the irritation. If you rub your eye with the dirty hands, your eye could become red. It could lead to any infection. So it is very important to not to touch your eye or rub your eye with the dirty cloth. Okay, it may cause infection. Okay, and you may feel the irritation in your eyes. Okay, so we should secondly, whenever you feel that there is some irritation in your eye, go fast and quickly wash your face with a cold water. Then you will feel little relieved. Okay, you will feel good. Okay, the next sense organ is, firstly we discussed the eyes. Now the second sense organ is ears. We should never use the sharp things like pen or matchstick to clean our ears. We should use the cotton buds to clean our ears. As you all know, our ears get even dirty. Okay, so it is very important to clean our ears. Okay, so when we go to the market, we buy cotton buds which help us to clean our ears. We should never use the sharp things like pen or a matchstick, it is very harmful and it is very dangerous for anyone. So it is very important that you need to take care of that, while you are cleaning your ear, you should be using cotton buds to clean your ears rather than using any sharp thing. Okay. The next sense organ is the nose. We should not insert finger into our nose. We should clean our nose when we take bath or when we wash our face. Kids, as you must be knowing that your teacher or your elder at your home might be telling you again and again, don't pick your nose, don't pick your nose, don't insert your finger in your nose, which is a very bad habit. So it is very important that you need to clean your nose while you take bath or whenever you wash your face. Okay, it's very bad to insert your finger in the nose, which is very bad. Okay, so be a good girl or be a good boy. Okay, and don't ever pick your nose. The next sense organ is tongue. We should clean our tongue with a tongue cleaner every morning. As you know, the brushes are used to brush our teeth to keep our teeth clean. In the same way, the tongue cleaners are available for us in the market, which would help us to clean our tongue. So look, this is the tongue cleaner. which would help us to clean our tongue. Okay, skin. The last sense organ is the skin. We should take bath daily to clean the dust and the sweat from our skin. The tiny pores of the skin will close, then waste products from our body will not be removed properly. Okay, so they are saying ki skin, we should take bath daily to clean the dust and the sweat from our skin. Okay, so as we have discussed earlier that it is very important for us to take bath daily. Take bath daily to keep our body clean. So in the same way, if we take the bath daily, we are going to keep our skin clean. Okay, from the dust that could be from even inside the house or from outside the house. Okay, and the sweat that comes from our body. Okay, they both makes our body dirty. So it is very important for us to take bath daily to clean the dust and the sweat from our skin. Okay, and second is ki if we are not going to like if we are not going to clean like not going to take the bath daily, not going to clean, okay, not going to keep our skin clean, the tiny pores of the skin, it will close, and that waste product which is on our face, it will go inside. Okay, and it will not be removed properly, and then you know what happens, the pimples come out of your face, and your face will not at all look good. Okay, so you all want to look beautiful and handsome. So it's very important to take care of your skin by washing your face properly and by taking bath daily. Thank you.